room 626 at the Even Hotel at the airport in Miami. This is a suite, and it's actually an accessible suite, and it has 2 bathrooms. So here's bathroom 1. Obviously very simple. It's kind of a health-minded hotel, which is cool. So there's a full-length mirror right here as you walk in. Then just after the entrance, you've got a closet there's a safe and an ironing board and iron. Also has a exercise bike, a light fitness bike. Got a couch and a chair, a little bit of a view, and nice places to set things, a TV. And we were surprised, we didn't realize it. I guess we didn't realize we booked a suite, but we did. It wasn't any more expensive than like $10 more than what we would have paid for a regular room. I don't know why we got such a deal, but we did. And then this is the second room. Nice king size bed, television, nice little hutch, end tables, whatnot, lights. So very cool. And then I'm gonna try to figure out the bathroom situation here. Light, a couple of lights. There's plenty of lights. So nice big. This is an accessible, like I said before. So it comes with a chair and a rail. 0 entry. You got dual vanities in here, so very cool, very nice. And then I don't know if you care, but we'll come over here and we'll take a look at the view out the window. Oh, you got a button. Push a button, I guess, to open the windows, which doesn't seem to be working. But anyhow, here's the view out the window if I could ever get the windows up. So we got a view of the lake and kind of a view of the pool. So that's it. Room 626 at the Even Hotel in Miami at the airport.